letting you redirect your budget towards more VRAM. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how clearly it maps out our choices. Look at our mesh options, the North, the Meshify, and the LANcool 207. They all deliver excellent to very good airflow while keeping noise perfectly manageable, largely because that heat just escapes easily. Then you've got the Torrent sitting there in a class of its own for raw, sustained cooling. And finally, you see our dampened options, the 802 and the Define 7. They drop the noise to very low, but notice the trade-off? The airflow drops to moderate. This matrix right here is your perfect cheat sheet to align your actual workload with the case that will serve it best. Which brings us to section 4, making your final decision and matching the case to your load. We've covered the physics and we've broken down the best hardware. But before you click buy, you have to honestly assess your own workflow and components.